Today's lesson is all about fraction. Understand what is fraction. First, we will find its meaning. What is fraction? Here, fraction means shows parts of a whole. Look at these words, parts. I have here a piece of paper. I will fold it in the center. After folding, I have now two parts. 1, 2. I have now two parts. I will write here how many parts. I will write 2 and then parts. Because we have two parts. But wait! I put the shade in one part. How many shade I put in one part? How many part? 1. So I will write here 1. 1 shaded part. 1 shaded part. Since we are talking about fraction, there is a line in between. Another example I will give. From this paper, I will fold it in the center. Now, how many parts do we have now? See? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 parts. I will write here 4 parts. I will shade this part. How many parts we shaded? 1 part. I will write here. Because it is fraction, I will put a line in between. Before we go on, I would like you to understand these words, numerator and denominator. Numerator means how many parts we are talking about or shaded, that is on the upper part. In denominator, all number of parts means it's the whole. So we will only count how many parts. That is denominator. Now we are going to do now the fraction. How many parts do you see? So we have now 6. So this is what we call all number of parts. Now here, how many shaded parts you see? Now here we are now going to write the fraction. Again, how many parts we have in all? 6. So I will put the 6 here down. And then I will put the line since it is a fraction. How many shaded you see? How many parts? 2. 1, 2. So I will put the 2 here. See? Now I will tell you what is 2 and what is 6. 2 is called numerator. 6 is called denominator. Now, this is now the part of fraction. 2 is the numerator. How many parts we are talking about or shaded? See? 2 parts shaded. 2. Denominator, all number of parts. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another sample here, fraction. Now, we will count all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. I write the 6 there. Now, how many shaded parts? Shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. I write the 4. So, this is the fraction of these parts. Now, another activity is shade the parts. So, I have here the parts and I have here the fraction. Now, 8. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. 3. So, we will shade 3 parts. So, this is the 1, 2, 3. So, I shaded 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. That is 3. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good luck, grade 3.